this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to be making smash burgers. Now, this is the kind of burger that they make at the kind of casual hip burger restaurants like Five Guys, where they take a ball of hamburger meat, throw it on the grill, and then they smash it with their spatulas. Of course, it all starts with mixing your meat together. When you have your own blend, depends on what you like. You might like 80-20 blend, you might like 90-10. Do what's right for you. But you're going to mix it with some salt, pepper, and onion. That's what we're doing real simple here. After those balls are made, let them rest. Spend some time making a nice dipping sauce, topping sauce for your cheeseburger. In this case, we're going to use one very similar to what we used in our cheeseburger salad recipe. Check out the link above. It starts with some mayonnaise, put in some mustard, some ketchup, and then a little garlic powder and onion powder. Add some paprika in there if you want a little extra spice. But this is a really simple cheeseburger sauce that you can make here at home. Tastes great. Alright, once you've got that done, your griddle's heated, put those balls of hamburger down on there, let them start frying. Get them on there, then you're going to take your spatula and you're just going to press on them. Just smash those things out. Make sure they're good and flat. One of the things that differs doing it this way as opposed to forming your hamburger patties regular way is that these patties are thin. They're very thin. You might find that you need two of them. That's okay. They cook fast though. They cook much faster than your regular burgers. So, once you do that, let them cook. They'll come out well done. Then they may even be a little crunchy. You never know. But that's how they look. Believe me, they're fantastic. Put some cheese on there. And then you can use them in a couple different ways. Of course, there's the traditional burger. But then there is the cheeseburger salad. That's what we're showing right now. Cheeseburger salad. Mix it up. Cut that hamburger up. Serve it warm. Don't let it get cold. Serve it warm. And then top that salad with some bacon bits and some croutons. You know, if you're looking to cut some carbs, this is a great way of doing it, but you'll still have that flavor. Alright, so while we're making this salad, we invite you to subscribe, get your notification, and hit the like button so YouTube knows you like us. Also, put a comment down. We want to hear from you. So we're going to serve this burger up. We're actually going to serve up two patties. Then we're going to top our salad and the burger with that cheeseburger sauce that we made. You know, the one that started with the mayonnaise, had the mustard, ketchup. Yep, we're going to put it right there on the burger. Gives it a great flavor. So, again, something you find in a lot of restaurants. A lot of restaurants use Thousand Island. Well, yeah, it's kind of like it, but it's a little bit different. Just build it how you like it. Put your lettuce, your tomatoes, your pickles on there if you want. But in any event, enjoy. Thanks for watching this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen.